I really just want to be happy when I grow up. My mother abandoned me at a very young age. Dad always worked a lot, and he wasn't really there that often. He really tries, but he's not in a financial place to support me or keep me. That left my grandparents to take full responsibility of me. They took really good care of me, and I was really grateful for them. My grandmother passed away of colon cancer, but shortly before she did, my grandfather committed suicide. That really hurt me. Sorry. My freshman year, I was living with my dad and his girlfriend. Me and my dad's girlfriend never really could get along. We always argued and we fought a lot. It just didn't leave us in a good place, and then one day she decided she didn't want me there anymore. So she kicked me out, and I moved in with my aunt and uncle, who weren't in the best spot financially. I know they loved me, but it was just difficult having me around. They have 2 children, and I was sharing a room with their 11-year-old son. It wasn't a good time. We would always argue and fight, even more so than me and my dad's girlfriend would. It just wasn't really working. One day, my uncle got tired of it, and we were screaming at each other, and I told him I was gonna leave, and so he said, "Don't come back if you leave." I hopped from house to house, from friend to friend. The stress it was putting me under during school and trying to find a place to sleep, not knowing where I was gonna be or if I can be anywhere. After a month of that, I got really exhausted, so I went to my nanny one day when my uncle wasn't home, and I begged her to go back. They decided to take me back, and that really helped me a lot. My grandparents' death really took a toll on my grades. My sophomore year, I kind of slacked off, but I realized then that I needed better grades to go to college, to go to UL. And I realized that I wanted to have a stable job, a stable life. I found the Armentor scholarship. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it. I was just hoping for something. I thought if I didn't get it, well, someone who deserves it more than me was gonna get it. Finally, he called, and I didn't really believe it. He was telling me this. I thought I was dreaming. Getting the scholarship is helping me move out of my aunt and uncle's home, and it's gonna let me move into the dorms where I need to be. I am not gonna waste this. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna get the best grades I can. I'm gonna study, and I'm gonna make it work. It feels great, and I just can't wait to start. I wanna be an elementary school teacher. I wanna change children's lives. I wanna be there for them whenever they don't have a stable place, to make sure they're gonna go on the right path through school, and do my best to better their lives, even just the slightest. Thank you, Mr. Armentor, for this scholarship that you're giving all these children opportunities straight out of high school that may have had problem homes or they weren't in a great spot to begin with. I am so grateful for this, and I'm sure everybody else is too. My grandparents would be really proud if they were here right now and I got this scholarship.